Welcome, CNG 132 online, 2-week number 5. Saw the post a little late from Val about the Val and Brandon. That Project 4.4 no longer supported. Yeah, I forgot to take this one out. Chrome, let's see, unofficially stopped supporting it at release number 49, and then at 57 they just took it out completely. So sorry about that. Some of these slip by me, and I do forget to modify the project. But if you did work on it, thanks for trying to work on it. Once again, sorry about that. Thanks for understanding. We live in an environment that is so evolving so fastly that when the stuff comes out, it's already old. Let's see. This week with the readings. Do check out the SANS Institute. There are a few websites that you should be aware of if you're going after a cybersecurity degree. SANS.org is a very, very popular one. Let me see if I can bring this other one up real quick. There's another one, NIST.org, and then I wouldn't say a better one, just as an interesting one that's good for, I don't know, just basic templates, finding out information. And I will copy, and swgde.org, all really, really helpful, and I'll put those on the main page. All really helpful places to go to just get a start of what you want. Feel free to click each one. I know the links I'm going to post are just... I think I broke it. The links I'm going to post are just for the security policies. If you want to start to read these security policies, you'll need this a little bit later in the course. Wow, I totally broke that. Because at the end of the course, we write a security policy. Actually, we write 2 security policies. Don't know what's going on with that. Yeah, don't know what's going on with that. So, I will put those up though. Let's go back to content. As we move from cryptography and into networking and server attacks, we still take a look at how the attacks can take place. Some of the concepts with this one will be like a DDoS attack, a DOS attack, what type of server attacks there can be. We look at SQL injection class, XML attacks, different types of attacks that can happen to servers and just your general network. I'm starting to throttle back on the lab simulations. Those are kind of failing at this point. If you did do them, I'll just give you scores for those. As long as you have like some sort of score in there, I'll go ahead and punch that in. I'm having issues on my end trying to get the grades to transition over, so if I do make a mistake in the grading, please let me know. I don't know why this software is not working well. Perhaps it's the new D2L, I don't know. But it's stuff I'm trying to work on, so if you can, bear with me on this, and thanks for understanding. New things often need to get the kinks worked out in order to work. Let's see, I will start grading. I do have a few meetings today. I'll probably pick up grading some today, but finish it out tomorrow. But feel free to email me. Make sure you look at the websites I'm going to post. Very, very interesting on security policies. Because in Chapter 14, we actually write a security policy of 2 principles. So if you get an idea of what you like so far using the 3 websites, you have a better understanding of what you're going to be writing at the end. And I believe that's it for the introduction. Once again, heavy vocabulary week. Make sure you understand that. If you didn't get in the test for last week, make sure you're getting the Kaplan Transcender code from this campus, activating that code. And then if you have any issues, make sure to contact Taylor Rowley. The specific code we're going to use, or a specific test we're going to use it for, is oops, that's the wrong one. What happened to my syllabus? That's the wrong syllabus. So we're going to be using it for, I'm going to get that changed right now. We're going to be using it for the SYO 501 security test. We're make sure you are grinding this over and over and over. Just in case you missed that one test, this will help you make up those 5% points and kind of give you a bailout near the end. Let's see, other things for this week. I believe that's it. So I think I'll sign off at this point. I'll fix everything. Have a good week.